Morning. We're here at Waisaki's farm, and we, by that I mean myself and Phil. That would be Phil the pheasant. Phil, shall we go fishing? Come on, buddy. Let's go. We're going to head upriver and fish the long pool. Phil and I. Come on, Phil. Let's go. Want to pick up the pace? Yeah, we're going to head upriver. It's a gorgeous day. The river's a little discolored, but Phil and I don't care, right, Phil? Say something for the camera. Let's go, buddy. Come on, Phil. Yeah, what a day. There's geese in the air. I'm here with Phil.